Welcome to Story Hub, where stories and imaginations come alive.
Long ago, in a time when animals still spoke and walked like men, the bird did not fly. He walked on the earth just like the goat, the lion, and the tortoise. Bird was known for his beautiful voice. Every morning, he would stand on a rock and sing songs so sweet that even the trees swayed to his melody and the river paused to listen. But Bird had a problem. He was proud. He often sang, "No one is greater than I. My feathers shine. My songs fly high. Why should I not touch the sky?" The other animals began to grow weary of Bird's pride. One day, wise old Tortoise called a gathering. "Let us humble our friend," he said. "Let us teach him that pride goes before a fall." And so, the animals came up with a plan. They told Bird about the great feast of the sky, where the gods themselves will be listening. "They say only those who can fly may attend," said Monkey with a sly grin. "Fly?" asked Bird, wide-eyed. "But I cannot fly." "You can make wings," said Tortoise. "Use feathers, glue, and your pride. Perhaps that will lift you." Determined to prove he was worthy of the sky, Bird gathered feathers from the ground, glued them to his arms with sap from the Iroko tree, and climbed the tallest tree in the forest. With a leap of faith and a gust of wind, he soared. To his surprise, the wings held. Bird flew higher and higher until he touched the clouds. He danced with the wind, sang above the mountains, and laughed with the stars. But the gods were watching. "You wish to sing to us?" they asked. "Then sing, Bird, and never stop." From that day on, the bird was blessed to keep flying. He could never again stay still for too long, or his wings would stiffen and fall away. And so, Bird still flies from tree to tree, from sky to sky, always searching for the perfect place to sing his song.